It don't do. We're going to lead you in worship song now. Is it bit now our worship song? Please, can you start? 1, 2, 3, go.
I gave my friends away for you.
Lift your hand in worship.
To use me. I gave my friends away.
My voice. Oh, that's falsetto. Brother. You didn't go out of key.
Oh,
follow my key.
All right.
Bunch of keys. I give my friends away. That is soprano. Go. Oh, okay. Oh, brother. I give my friends away. So, not so, now evil spirit person, they shout like that. You get evil spirit. The person get evil spirit, they shout there. But
you say make I do like that now?
I say, oh. You go vibrato. Oh. You got the thing they do if they sing. Is it be do that thing? See, for music, if they dumb, you go see those when they sing. You go do. You go they. You don't spoil the song. You have destroyed the spirit. Now dog you be. Now dog you be. Won't get.
No,
you have spoiled the spirit.
My name could be Nikita. So come here, Nikita.
No, but you know say easy big name, very reasonable dog.
Nikita.
Easy. Easy boy. And the guy easy Pete. Now dog we're gonna come out spit for more too much. Easy boy.
No.
Easy boy.
No, the kind of dog where they go name after Easy. It could be.
No, get swag now.
It could be mixed breed.
Yeah, that easy.
Your dog now bingo. That guy where they chop butu for
No, for Mushin side. It could wear bow tie.
No.
They go put the bow tie.
Onya bingo.
Okay. Imagine dog. Imagine dog where they call Nedu. I go be.
No, you don't see the name Nedu. Now those dog we be like lion. When if you say if they want back, if they want back now, whoa.
Now
Yeah, if they want back, hey. Oh, take a money get you Anyone now welcome to the night show today. My name is Lady Underscore. Katim is. I bet when I clap for Katim, Katim is finally back. After Waka, when they do you now? Finally, you didn't come back. Let me say they're supposed to come. They query. You are supposed to chase you away here now.
Like dog.
If not be easy beat, somebody leave you. If not be easy beat. Why they eye me? People.
Can't you not believe I'm more?
Then they go eat together. Easy beat go hold her for hand. They come and show you. Stand up. If they go eat, see this guy. They go there, you know they and they see you. And no one called the girl come from.
So easy, we can need one for yours.
You know, I go tell you every.
The girl, maybe the girl, where's my tell you time, make sure
you know,
now person when they don't catch to do, when you don't catch them, you can't try to defend yourself. But if you know, say you not do them, you can keep quiet. They watch. Now, the girl, meet them earlier today, say, Easy Beat, you people show, all those girls that used to call you on your show, Easy Beat say, no, it's actually nothing. Okay, come to the show and watch. So, okay, now you can come today.
So, Easy Beat go carry my color TV.
Bam! Bam! Una good evening and welcome, Mubiko. But you get just one go use tech start today.
Which one?
That one with it. I feel like maybe that can watch the service for Nigeria here.
Which kind of time that kind of service go start for you?
No, but you know, say, if I'm more talk the thing first of all before we talk about it with the thing.
You just come out your house.
You know, say that same pastor. When say make members swallow snake. When say make them they chop their pant. Their brazier.
Everything. I fit pastor and in church they full.
In church they full.
Everybody they chop their brazier and
now,
pants.
people they chop brazier. Those with their brazier be like Costa Jacko own. Those with their brazier be like fried egg.
How
you know some people
you know that wire when they how did they chop
that iron? Who know? I feel like quick. Now this your brazier sweet. What color is it?
It's in a pink and white.
It's pink and white.
It used to be pink and white before. Now I don't turn to
brown. Then go chop the brazier. Now the man don't enter another level.
No, that man.
The man now say their next service. Now priest be this one. He say make them come service naked.
So wait first. You could now leave your house.
See this here. Naked. Then the man come church. See him. Naked. That one now.
So like Adam and Eve when
yes. Yes. You can say wait. Then go say. See him. Then go say okay. Sister Nkiruko Nyajocha, please come and lead us in worship.
Then Nkiruko come.
Wait. No, be Nkiruka. Choir master. When choir master come be like.
No. Choir master could stand. Then you know in
choir master come.
All the chorus star then go there. Go there naked.
If now, you see, you know what I go.
Come do the conductor. Make I sing, you know.
No, inside this choir, now ladies go there choir. Why the thing it's in the waist hold me like this?
They do which thing, but
I do arrange my trouser now. I want pack wear. Now, Tiwa Savage go there she don't burn now, her belly go down flat. Tiwa Savage go there the front because her lasabi reduced. It be like fried egg, you know, too plenty. Then Koso Jacko, she go there back because if you there front, nobody go see other people.
So if she stand for back, what think she go sing bass?
You should sing bass. Koso Jacko go there for the choir. Tiwa Savage go there. Give me name now.
Morgan.
Cynthia Morgan go there. Sheyishe. No, Sheyishe not get.
No, that's
working. Sheyishe na chest.
He fell.
Lord go there. We go. Event. I'm gonna lead worship. You guys go lead worship preach. You go begin to act. Take it.
How she go to it when she know wear cloth?
No, now be the thing now. You go to twerk. Kel go there, then go there, leave worship. Then Aramide no go there. She not guitar. No, nothing. Uriel!
No, where she go stand?
You don't see Uriel bump.
No. Where you don't see choir master go stand like this. Where Uriel go face like this.
No,
he go face the ground.
Church go close.
Okay, so
now you know say now Uriel they can't give. You know say you get some people when they be say they can't give announcement when church don't close.
Okay.
Now Uriel go do am.
So
because when she come
from outside, enter inside.
Pack 'em. Church
Our announcement today is as follows. Oops, something could fall. Then she could say, oh, you could say, sorry, make I start all over again. But our announcement for today.
Play. Why church services? I'm just saying. Now, out of my stupid mind, and they talk this one. So out of those parts.
You say if it work for you?
No, not be say if it work. Not be bad thing. Imagine say your pastor now. Can't tell you, easy bit. Our church service is going to be in the club.
By 12,
people go full church.
By 12 midnight.
Or the next service, our next Sunday service is going to be by the swimming pool. You go see Mama go there. Anyway, more not take too much time. We'll go back more chicken break for you. When we come back, we'll get two guests for Inside Studio. Aramide.
No. Aramide.
I
don't know what it means, but no.
It be like the fake one, and be Aramide.
No, I remember 10 year water spirit. Because every time you see I come a mirror.
Hey!
And
like this.
They do like this.
He said, now water spirit. You see a video now from water, it takes that. Which person go start video from water?
And this one way, say she no come be color TV.
And then our next guest.
Our next case, we get plan.
We are going to give, not be say we get plan, more takam. Now auction with the auction her today.
But you must fill the major requirement.
You must have a landed property.
Can we get number 100?
You must get work.
And for Newton.
If you get those two, those are the major punchline.
In other words, and for New song, it's not me for near for that you come for.
That's the way she talk now. Now be the thing.
Then, and for near utum. I mean, your handiwork, you are work, get a mechanic or a shoemaker.
No.
You are work. Define you are what?
If you tell us how much they account, if not something where they're very reasonable, we close the auction. We'll give it to you straight up. Then your soft skill, your soft skill and hard skill must be very, very prominent.
Yeah.
We go buy small chicken in break for you. We go watch Aramide water spirit video. When we come back, then too, go down sit down for here because she's a water spirit marine. How person go to carry phone to do like this?
No phone or mirror.
You do like this.
I don't
you
mirror.
Like this. You do like this.
Mirror. So what I'm talking.
Who they do this? You do like
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.